Hello everyone. In this video we're going to work out one more example of writing, translating, and solving equations. So here it says twice the sum of a number and 6 is 2 more than 3 times the number. Find the number. Lots going on here. So first thing I want to point out is it says twice the sum of a number and 6. This, what I just underlined, this is a quantity. So twice the sum, we know this is addition, the sum of a number and 6. So I'll label my variable in this one as z. So twice the sum of a number and 6. The sum, this is a quantity, so twice it means to multiply it by 2. So 2 times this quantity is, meaning equals, 2 more than 3 times the number. So 2 more than, we know that this translates to addition. So 2 more than 3 times the number. Find the number. So this part is done, the translation. All we have to do now is solve. So right off the bat here, I notice that I can distribute this 2 to both terms in parentheses, giving me 2z plus 2 times 6. And then this I will leave as is. I can just copy and paste. Now, just like the last problem I did, I've got a variable on both sides. Does not matter if I subtract 3z or 2z. So for this problem, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a little different. I'm going to subtract 3z this time. So that cancels out here. Bring down equals 2 and the plus 12. So 2z minus 3z, that's going to give me a negative coefficient. Specifically, it's going to be -1. But I'll write this as negative z. A few more steps to do. Subtract the 12 from both sides to get the variable term by itself. 2 minus 12, that is -10. So the problem with this setup is that we have a negative variable. We have always solved with a variable that was positive in the end. So what I can do here is I'm going to show you a trick. This is -1 times z equals -10. So remember that there's an understood 1 in front of here, and this is a negative. So what I can do is divide by -1. Move it down just so you can see it. I'm dividing by -1 to cancel out the -1 coefficient. This will make z positive, as well as the number I'm going to get in the end. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. So in this case, my number for this problem was 10. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.